Dear passengers, we are now arriving at Shanghai Pudong International Airport.
Hey guys, I'm Ryan, and I've teamed up with Meet in Shanghai. I've just arrived at Shanghai Pudong International Airport. Today, we're gonna see how far I can get around Shanghai basically using one app on my phone, Alipay. So before I do anything, go anywhere, the first thing I need is Alipay. Okay, so I already downloaded it. I'm just gonna link my payment method, get everything set up, and this is basically gonna be my go-to app for everything today. So now that you know where you wanna go to your favorite Maps app, type in the address, and let it show you how to get there. All right, first stop, the airport link line. One thing I'll say right away is that the signs here are really easy to follow. So once you get into the airport, just keep your eyes open and look for airport link line. All right, so as you can see, we've arrived at the metro. You can take this, but today I'm gonna show you something that's a little bit faster. Now we're taking the suburban railway. This is a line that connects Pudong Airport all the way to Hu Xiaoyou Airport across the city and makes only a few stops in between. Let's go to one of those places. I'll also be using the Alipay app for the transit part. You just go into the app, open up transport, and get ready to scan your code. The subways in Shanghai are so clean, quiet, and if you need to charge your phone, they've got you. They've even got wireless charging. So now that we've got a little time, let me tell you a little more about EasyGo Alipay app. So you just open it up and now you're inside this one-stop platform built for international visitors. It starts in English, which is great, and you can switch to other languages too. Inside, there are around 30 mini programs covering all kinds of useful services. So this goes way beyond just payments. You can use it for food delivery, restaurant recommendations, transportation, taxi booking, navigation, shared bikes, travel info, ticket booking, and even luggage storage. And if you're shopping in Shanghai, there's also a really useful tap to refund feature together with a city tax refund map, which makes the whole tax refund process way easier. Then, inside the app, I can go to the transportation section and open up MaaS. This is where it gets really useful because it connects different parts of the city's transit system all in one place. And there's another feature here that's really helpful for trip planning too. The English version of Hu Xiaoyou gives you useful info on popular attractions around Shanghai. museum details, and other travel ideas, so you can start building your own itinerary as you go. So with this app, I get sightseeing ideas, useful local services, restaurant recommendations, all in one place, which is honestly super convenient. Oh, and if you've got any of these cards here, that'll work here too. All right, so I've made it to Shanghai International Resort Station. And now I'm just following the signs out to the Disney Resort. Again, the signage is clear, the direction is obvious, and if you're coming from the airport, this is all very manageable. All right, so if you're going to Disney, you'll just come out of exit 3 and hop on a public bus. But we're gonna switch things up a little bit and go into the city center. So now I'll use the taxi feature on Alipay.